Exposing the secret sauce to small business success. Ready to dive in? Starting a small business is like setting off on a grand adventure. It's thrilling, but it can also feel overwhelming. So, where do you begin? First, secure your funding. Whether it's bootstrapping, loans, or investors, know your options and choose what's right for you. Remember, every dollar counts. Next up, build your customer base. Get to know your audience, what they need, what they love, and how you can serve them better than anyone else. Engage with them, listen to their feedback, and always aim to exceed their expectations. As you grow, think about scaling your operations. Efficient systems and processes will help you handle increased demand without losing your cool. Automate where you can, but never sacrifice quality. And don't forget, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay persistent, keep learning, and celebrate your wins, no matter how small. So, there you have it. Practical tips to help you succeed in your small business journey. Now go out there and make it happen.